Hey everyone, we're looking at the Kizer knives here. Okay, so I already took this out of the box. It comes with a cloth to clean the blade. It's extra touch. I like it. And this is the blade. So let's put everything on the side and look at the blade itself. This blade model is called a Begleiter. It has G10. Zoom in for you here. But first, let's look at the overall design of this knife. I like the shape of it and very comfortable in hand. It's not a small knife actually, because the overall size of this blade is 8.17 inch. That's overall length of it. The blade length is 3.58 inch, so it's not a small 3-inch blade. The good thing about this blade is it uses a VG10 blade. So you know it's a high quality steel with the G10 here, G10 handle. It is a tip down carry. And there's loophole here. So let's look closely for the detail. So here says Kizer. Can you see here? It says VG10. That's a blade steel. That's the model name, Begleiter. So that's the blade. It uses this metal liner inside, but it's being cut out as you can see. So the weight is a little bit less, but still not a very light knife, because the blade is more than 3 inch, 3.58 inch. So this is G10 scale. I like this detail touch here, the blue rain here. Makes overall design looks nicer. That's the tip of it, clip. So overall, it's a very good knife. This knife is the company it's not a US company, but the blade design overall is good, and the Kizer always uses the good steel like the VG10. They don't use like S8 or other cheap steels, as far as I know, or as far as the blade I have. So flips open quite easily and smoothly. I can even do with my left hand, I guess. Let me try it. Guess you have to pivot it a little bit harder. So the size of it makes this a little bit aggressive looking, but the design of it, I think it's more like the gentleman's knife. It's supposed to be able to take it out in the office and cut apples or fruits, but it's just quite big. So it carries nice in the pocket too. Let's see close in action. So overall, it's a very good blade. The cost on Amazon is around $50. So for this VG10 steel, I think it's good buy. Most of the people on the YouTube, when they review this brand's knives, they all agree that the knife's cost for what you get is very good. It's a good deal basically. So here you have it. This is the Kizer's Begleiter. Uses VG10 steel. Thanks for watching. I'll have the item link below.